Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a marinated fish dish with colorful seasonal salad and crispy fish skin. I'm using trout, but you can use other fresh fish as long as it's hygienically prepared. So I'll first start off with the bell pepper. I'm using one yellow and one red. You can use any color of your choice. I'm just going to remove the inner core like so. Just cut around the inside, and then I'm going to make it thinner by half. So just carefully cut across like this, and then I'm going to cut into slices, julienne cuts, and then into small dices like this. Because pepper, when you eat it raw, sometimes it this unpleasant raw taste, so that's why I'm cutting it really small. This will make a lot of people be able to accept eating pepper. Just finishing cutting here, so here we have it, and then I'm going to prepare mango. Just cut off the flesh from the two sides and then remove the flesh with a spoon, going around and then removing the skin, peeling it off, and then just gonna slice it down like so. Not too thick or not too thin, just like this is okay. And I'm just gonna set this aside. Next, I'm gonna prepare a lemon. Just gonna roll it around to get more juice. Just gonna cut around 1/3 out for juicing. And then gonna cut avocado, cut in half, and then remove the core. And then using a spoon as well, just like the mango, removing the flesh. And then also making slices just like the mango in similar size. Just gonna set these on a plate, fan them out, and then adding some lemon juice to prevent the oxidation. So here I have the trout fillets. It's around 300 grams in total. So I'm just going to remove the skin like so, just cut it through, and then cut it diagonally, so it's like a triangle shape. And then I'm slicing the fish flesh at an angle like this. You can also slice it straight down or slice it thinner. I slice it quite thick and adding some lemon juice. So what this does is it cures the fish, so it makes it safer to eat instead of being directly raw. Just adding salt and pepper and mixing a little bit. Just gonna take a few minutes for it to cure. So next I'm gonna fry the fish skin, just adding a little bit oil, just a thin layer, and then adding the fish skin and cooking over medium-high heat until crispy, and flip over and then set aside. I'm gonna prepare the salad now for the pepper, just adding white pepper and salt, olive oil, and a little bit of vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar, and then mix and then add onto the plate. Just put in a straight line. You can also plate in any way that you like. This is just my suggestion. So I'm gonna arrange the avocado and mango like so on the two sides. And then next I'm adding the main ingredient, the trout fillets, like so in the middle. The main ingredient is always in the middle. And then adding the crispy on the sides. So here we have it. A trout ceviche with mango avocado pepper salad. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, and see you next time.